Trending Teen Titles, we are talking about In Repair by A.J. Graziadei, published by Godwin Books, a Henry Holt and Company book. Nathan Conti doesn't feel real when he's alone. Maybe that's why he has a reputation as a troublemaker. He'll do just about anything to have everyone's eyes on him. But things are about to change. In his first year of college, Nathan is flung into new circumstances with new people to meet. There are the students in his public speaking class, the lacrosse players, and then there's the aspiring photographer who asks Nathaniel to be their model, who's interested in more than what they see on the surface. Nathaniel feels like he's moving forward until a former friend shows up, someone who reminds him of habits and hurts he thought he'd left behind. I chose this book to spotlight today because it's hard to let go of who you are and find a new person in yourself. You're constantly reminded of the mistakes you've made or the things you'd like to change, and I'd love to hear how Nathaniel overcomes some of those. I hope you'll stop by the library and grab a copy of In Repair and enjoy.